as seen in the earlier lesson with respect to the YouTube, we can see that frame shift mutation may be because of deletion of a nucleotide base or insertion or addition of a nucleotide base. In deletion, what exactly happens is there will be removal of one or few bases from a nucleotide chain, that is the gene, and this process is called as deletion. For example, if this is the sequence of DNA A, T, G, C, T, A, G, C, if by chance T is deleted, then the gene structure will be A, G, C, T, A, G, C. That is, the native is this, the altered one is this without the T, that is the thymine which has been deleted. In such a case also, there will be reading frame alteration. Likewise, when there is insertion, also there will be changes in the DNA sequence. For example, if this is the same DNA sequence A, T, G, C, T, A, G, C, if I am adding extra nucleotide A over in the middle, then obviously there is going to be alteration in the gene sequence itself, that now it becomes A, T, A, G, C, T, A, G, C. So now again the reading frame is going to be altered. In this way, by the deletion or the insertion of any nucleotide, we can bring about the frame shift mutation. Next molecular mechanism for mutation is substitution. In substitution mechanism, a nitrogenous base of a codon is replaced by another base, and this is called as the substitution mutation. This can be of two types. One is transition, then another one is transversion. Remember, transition and transversion are the substitution method which is brought about by induced mutation to bring about the mutation. In transition, purine will be replaced by another purine, that is A will be replaced by G or G will be replaced by A. Likewise, pyrimidine will be replaced by another pyrimidine, that is cytosine will be replaced by thymine or thymine will be replaced by cytosine. In total, in transition, a purine by a purine, pyrimidine by a pyrimidine. In case of transversion, a purine nucleotide will be replaced by a pyrimidine, or else a pyrimidine nucleotide, in this place it will be replaced by a purine. In such a case, we call it as transversion. Let us see how exactly this is brought about. Again, to brief up, when a purine base of a triplet codon is substituted by another purine base, this is called as transition. Likewise, if a pyrimidine is substituted by another pyrimidine, also it is called as transition. Let us see, this is the gene structure A, T, G and C. So, complementary strand will be T, A, C and G. The blue color indicates amino form of the adenine. When it is in an amino form, it is going to pair with thymine. So when this DNA replicates, this particular gene structure is formed. So this will be same as the native one. So it is called as the wild type. When this strand undergoes replication, due to the mechanism wherein the amino form of adenine is converted into imino form, in such a case the imino form is going to pair with C. Remember, normal case adenine is supposed to pair with thymine only. Normal case is amino form. Due to some alteration, if the adenine gets converted into imino form, it is going to pair with cytosine. This actually brings about the alteration in the genome. So, in the next generation, when this strand replicates, Due to some unknown mechanism, like I said, the repair mechanism gets operated and it reverts back into amino form. It is going to pair with thymine. Then the normal wild type only will be restored. But the opposite strand, when it undergoes replication, ACGC, which is formed here, this forms a proper typical Watson and Crick pairing, and TGCG is going to be formed. You can see one is wild type is restored, but because of the alteration at this particular step, then another mutant is being formed over here. In this case, there is a transition from thymine to cytosine. So this is called as transition reaction. So instead of thymine, cytosine has been replaced. So this is called as transition from thymine to cytosine. So there is base change from AT to GC, AT to CG. So this is called as mutation because of transition. In case of transversion, the substitution mutation which involves the substitution or replacement of a purine with a pyrimidine or a pyrimidine with a purine. Since this case is called as transversion. As seen here, purine, it can be adenine or guanine. This will be replaced by either cytosine or thymine. Likewise, if the pyrimidine present is cytosine or thymine, this will be replaced by any other purine which might be adenine or guanine.